KUMA riria thirikari yakindirire gikuo kia uria urari munene wa MBIRARU General Francis Ogolla ciuria na nganja cia gikuo giake ni ciumiritie mwena wa mung'ethaniro gia KIRIA nganja ici riria utari wa kura cia githurano kihituku kia mwaka wa 2022 wathiaga na mbere tariki 15 mweri wa kanana nyumba-ini ya BOMAS. General Francis Ogolla agitungata hindi yo ta munini wa munene wa MBIRARU ni umwe wa aria mekinyirie BOMAS gukirikana muoroto wari kurigiriria President William Ruto ndanatangathwo ta muhotani. Minister wa ugitiri wa bururi ADEN Duale akieherania Ogolla na ndeto ino.
Raila Odinga was very right. And I came today to qualify his statement that General Ogolla, a man he knows, would not have gone to BOMAS. And the people who sent him to BOMAS, some of them are here. Some of the people who sent him to BOMAS, are known. They are members.
Many people may say many things because they don't understand what those of us who have worked closely with General Ogolla understand about the potential that he would do for our country.
Ndumiriri-ini yake hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Ogolla, Duale augite Ogolla ni gutindikiririo atindikiririo ni umwe wa anene yake ekinyie nyumba-ini ya BOMAS na ona ndari na rutha eta munini wa munene wa MBIRARU gukorwo kuo kuona ndari mumemba wa kamiti ya kaje ya ugitiri.
General Ogolla was not, as the Vice Chief of Defense Forces, was not a member of the National Security Committee, which is chaired by the Head of Public Service. So how did the General Ogolla went to NSAC and to BOMAS?
Duale no ugite Ogolla ni uririe anene yake gitumi giake gukorwo nyumba-ini ya BOMAS thutha wa kumenya githurano kianagirirwo thaa 9 cia miaraho. Duale akihithuria ena wira wa ndumiriri cia thimu cia kuonania miario ino.
General Ogolla shared with me text messages of his superiors and members of the National Security Committee then. And he asked 3-4 times. First, in the morning when he was going to NSAC, he showed me the message that he was given, go represent me at NSAC, because of a prior other commitment of the person who was supposed to go. And the 411 came while he was in BOMAS, saying the results will be announced at 3. And General Ogolla then again sent a text message and saying, now that the result will be announced at 3, as a general, as a soldier, what am I doing here?
President William Ruto ni atateire itua riake ria kwamura Ogolla ta munene wa MBIRARU. Duale agitariria itemi riria anyitire hari kumuhunga mahuri mbere ya amuritwo akimenereria aria maranyagia ndeto itari no macigie gikuo giake.
He gave me permission to have one-on-one discussion with General Ogolla on a Monday from 7 to 9:30 p.m. in my house. When he convinced me is when he got an opportunity to relay and talk to the president. Let us not create a false narrative about General Ogolla.
I know for sure that I made the right decision. And if I had another chance to appoint him, I would appoint him again as the CDF of Kenya.
Na niguo kurigiriria kihingica ta giki gukaneyumiria ringi, Duale augite amemba kamiti ya kaje ya ugitiri ni mathitwo matigathukagire anini ao mawira mao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.